I want to be so toxic and be like, hey, turn it up. It's not loud enough. I can't hear. But that's so mean. We're just gonna trek through this. The only reason like I try to keep this on is because comms are really helpful in this game. Also, I like to give comms out, but I can't give comms if I mute everyone. So I'm stuck having to just, you know, stick with it. But anyways. Shit. Shit. Alright, we'll go out through here. I have high proficiency, so I think we'll be fine. I'm gonna exit through the door I like to go through, which is the red door to slaughterhouse. I want to spam, but it's probably not a good. Cook has heard you. But I'm not highlighted.
Ooh, that did shit ran right past me.
Oh shit. Oh shit.
Oh shit.
Oh fuck.
Ha 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 ha. Good one. I'm Johnny got killed.
Shit. I didn't even realize we had a cook. Honestly. He's about to spot me out. Watch. Is this door open? It is. Cool. Cool. Okay. Let's see if he has, oh, he does. I'm gonna try to pick the lock anyways. Fuck. Shit. I don't think I even was... Oh, crap. Crap. Do you think he's still listening? I don't know. I just want a small bottle. See if I find one in here. Nope. Big ones. Jesus, they got 2,000 already? Honestly, very crazy. Alright. Ooh. Alright, Sunny.
Gotta get out of here.
Oh shit. Sunny, Johnny's coming over there. Dude. Yeah, he is coming. Bro, I can't like leave. Oop. My bad. Alright, I'm gonna try that door again. I'm very not positive that I got that lock off though. Like the one tick. But we'll see. We're all alive, so we should be good. Alright. Sorry, I had to mute him. I had to mute one of the players. Nothing against him. It's just that he was making too much noise, so I couldn't hear. Fuck. Oh no. Fuck. I got that lock off. Johnny found my footprints? Okay, we gotta go. I hope he isn't down here or some... Cook has heard me? Doesn't look like I care, Cook. They're all on me, bro.
I have to find the others.
Like, I know I'm the, like, pretty and stuff, but God.
There's no fucking way he just happens to come over and... What? Dude.
Okay, we'll walk slowly.
Fucking I mean, no fucking... He came right to where I was. Fucking did it.
No, they're back.
Dude, he wasn't even
Stay quiet.
anywhere near me. I could hear him fucking on your fucking headset or whatever.
I can hear him on
To
your
your
fucking
fucking-
headset.
Fucking conversation with them.
It's open.
Alright. Thanks to that distraction, I was able to, freaking, what do you call it? Open that door. But anyways. Do this door. I wish I had slippery right now, because
They're too close.
I'm scared. I'm scared. Leave me alone. Oh. No. There's no fucking way. There's no way. Well, 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 well.
I should keep this, just in case.
I'm scared. Genuinely scared. It just might be better to do the fuse at this point.
Come on back now. Got something I want to show you.
God damn it, god damn it, god damn it, god damn it!
You poor thing. I think they left.
Damn. You found my footprints, but did he really? I just don't know. They're all watching me. Damn, y'all are still here? Nah, I'm definitely gonna lose. This pressure's too much.
Take it away. Think.
Quit stalling.
I thought he was coming to slam me right there.
Same low key.
Fuck you, Joni. Or hit Joni.
I'm good. I'm good. Just stay calm. Stay focused. Why won't they leave me alone?
Damn you kids. Where'd they go?
Finally. Just go away, damn it.
I'm not gonna lie, my heart dropped right there. I thought you saw me. Holy
Oh,
shit,
I
bro.
thought for sure he's.
Same. I'm so scared right now. This is not even funny.
That's one thing I like about this game. The intensity.
Same.
Heart's pounding. Hope you can get that fucking lock and then just in time.
Do you guys know where the fuse box is at? Is it on the building over there?
It could be on the building going out towards generator,
Okay.
or it'll be on the little barn over by the valve exit.
Alrighty. I think it's over at that building going towards Jen, so but I saw Bonnie over there, so I'm not going.
Maybe I can open those doors. I gotta find a way out of here. Those animals. This is horrible. Yes, it's open.
Yeah, battery first. You got your ability. Yeah, you're good.
No fucking way. This
Good
game's
job,
gonna
good
give me a
job.
heart attack, bro.
I was just gonna ask you.
Good game, y'all. Oh shit, bro.
Well played, well played.
Fuck. Fuck. Dude. It was